Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix a zoomed-in screen in Roblox. This issue usually happens due to incorrect browser zoom settings. First, open Roblox in your browser and load into the page where you notice the zoom issue. As you can see, the screen is zoomed in and everything appears larger than normal. To fix this, go to the three dots on the top right corner and click on it. You will see an option for zoom. Click on the minus icon until you get to 100, just like so. This will reset the page to its normal view. Alternatively, there is another way you can do this. I'll go ahead and zoom in once again, and as you can see, I'm pretty zoomed in. Press the Control key on your keyboard and scroll down until you reach around 100. This method allows you to quickly adjust the zoom level without opening the menu. And once the zoom is corrected, your Roblox home screen should return to normal. And that's it! We just learned how to fix a zoomed-in Roblox screen by adjusting browser zoom settings using the menu or the keyboard shortcut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.